this is Lina from Sublistar. As you know, the World Cup is coming soon, right? And I'm very sure that everybody wants to wear the favorite clothing of your favorite soccer player or the favorite shirt of your favorite sport team, right? So today what we are going to do is we're going to transfer all these soccer designs into a t-shirt. Now, let's get started. Okay, now before we get started printing all of these designs, let me first explain what is our printing method about. Our printing method is called DTF printing, and DTF printing is a technology that prints designs on a film, as you can see here, and then transfer it into the clothing or any other fabric you want. DTF printed what uses is heat as a method of transfer. So as you can see here in our t-shirt, when we put heat in our t-shirt, the t-shirt designs last longer, and of course they will look brighter, as you can see here. Now we're going to start transferring all these soccer designs in our t-shirt, and you will wonder how many of these designs will fit in our t-shirt. Now let's go and find it out.
First, we open the prepared design picture and put it into the printing software for printing. We use Maintone software. We print a repeated design. Okay, let's start to print. Now you see our Star 3 series printer are printing soccer patterns. Alright, now the printer is finished. Now let's cut them out. We turn on the heat press machine in advance. The temperature rose to 165 degrees and the time was set at 15 seconds. Lay the pattern on the t-shirt. Let's count it, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start up. I can't wait to turn them off. I like the feeling of tearing them off quickly one by one. Guys, the t-shirt is already pressed. We use cold tear film. Now let's place it in one corner and wait for it to cool down before tearing it off. I counted about 15 patterns can be placed. 1 minute later, well, now we can peel it off. Take a closer look. When tearing, master the strength and direction. Back of the t-shirt, repeat the same steps.
Now, if you have any idea or any ideas for your designs, but you actually don't know how would they look like, please send it to us, and then we're going to show you in the next video how actually they look like. Now, don't remember, if you like this video, if you find our content interesting, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.